Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can access your OneDrive on your PC. OneDrive is a really user-friendly application where you can just store your data and files and folders all in one place in a cloud storage where it is safe and secure. To access OneDrive on your PC or a laptop, it is really simple. All you have to do is search it up on your Google Chrome browser, or you can simply download it. If you search for OneDrive.com, and then you'll be able to go onto the official website of OneDrive. Otherwise, if you search for download OneDrive, you can see that you'll be taken into this kind of website by Microsoft where you are able to download the OneDrive. Here, simply click on the download and the download process will start. Here you can see that the download process already started and even completed, and there is a OneDrive setup.exe already installed and downloaded on my laptop as well. If you want to use it on your website as well, you can do so by going on to OneDrive and simply log it into your account on OneDrive by going to their website as well, like I already am. The both features of the app and website are really similar and even exact, because you are able to share files, add files, upload files, and even take files from the uploaded data on OneDrive to your computer as well. This was for this video, and that's how you can access OneDrive on your PC. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.